Cocopeat is a natural organic growing medium made from the fibrous husk of coconut shells, especially from the coconut husk pith or coir pith. It is a byproduct of coconut fiber extracted and is known by various names such as cocoa coir pith, or coconut peat. Coconut peat is 100% natural, biodegradable, and eco friendly. It has excellent moisture retention capacity, able to hold up to 8 times its weight in water. It provides good aeration and oxygen to the plant root, promoting healthy root development. It decomposes very slowly, lasting up to 10 years or more, which provides long-term benefits to the soil. Cocopeat resists to bacteria and fungal growth due to its physical and biochemical properties.
Cocopeat briquettes are compact blocks of cocopeat, a natural and biodegradable product derived from coconut husk. They are made by compressing cocopeat into small blocks or briquettes, which expand when hydrated. These briquettes are used in gardening and horticulture as a growing medium, offering excellent water retention, nutrient availability, and erosion for plants. Cocopeat briquettes enhance soil erosion and water retention, promoting healthy plant growth. They reduce the need for frequent watering, making them ideal for areas with limited water resources. Cocopeat is a renewable resource, reducing the environmental impact of gardening and horticulture. Cocopeat powder is a fine powdery form of cocopeat, a natural and biodegradable product derived from coconut husk. It's used in various applications. Cocopeat powder improves soil structure, aeration, and water retention. It's often added to potting mixes to enhance soil health and plant growth. Cocopeat powder can be used as a seed starting medium, providing a sterile and well-draining environment. Cocopeat powder retains moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. It promotes healthy root growth by providing excellent aeration and drainage.
The preparation of the cocopeat is done typically by drying naturally in the sun and processed into various forms. To use compressed cocopeat blocks, they are soaked in water for several hours to expand and become soft and fluffy before use. Cocopeat is mixed with soil to improve its structure, aeration, and water retention capacity. A common ratio is 3 parts soil to 1 part cocopeat, which helps retain moisture, enhances oxygen supply to roots, and increase organic matter in the soil. It loosens compacted soil, prevents waterlogging, and supports healthier root development. Due to its lightweight nature and high moisture retention, cocopeat is ideal for potting plants, flowers, and vegetables. It can be used alone or blended with compost, sand, and fertilizers to increase a high-quality potting mix. In soilless cultivation like hydroponic system, cocopeat serves as a primary growing medium. It provides supports to plant roots, retain water and nutrients, and allows excess water to drain, reducing the risk of root rot. Cocopeat in hydroponics lead to faster plant growth and efficient nutrient management. In seed starting, cocopeat's sterile and moisture holding properties makes it excellent for germinating seeds. Seedling growth in cocopeat develop strong root system and are less susceptible to diseases. The natural antifungal properties which is in the cocopeat reduces the risk of soil-borne diseases. It acts as a substrate for mushroom cultivation, maintaining the moisture levels necessary for mycelium growth. Cocopeat is also used for animal bedding. Its absorbency and odor controlling properties makes it suitable for bedding materials for livestock. You can also use cocopeat by combining with soil, compost or fertilizers to create a nutrient-rich medium for pots or garden beds. Cocopeat is a standalone medium. where you can use it directly for hydroponic system or for seed starting. Cocopeat's combination of sustainability, water management, and plant health benefits has made it a staple in modern agriculture and home gardening. Cocopeat is also utilized in terrace gardening as well as for the cultivation of microgreens. Cocopeat is versatile, sustainable, and efficient growing medium, which is utilized across a wide range of industries, including terrace gardening, nurseries, animal bedding, interior design, construction landscaping for corporate companies, hydroponic farming, and the management of soil spilling, among others. We at Coco Hub Ventures provide a high-quality cocopeat for a wide range of applications, including agriculture, home and terrace gardening, horticulture, hydroponics, and other industrial uses. We proudly serve both domestic and international clients. For inquiry or for purchase, please contact us at cocohubventures@gmail.com.